What is up, guys? This is Mario TV here, coming at you with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download free music into your iPhone and how to extract that music into Apple Music. And all you're going to need is your iPhone, a PC, or your laptop. And without further ado, let's get started. The first step you're going to have to do is go on your laptop or PC and search for a website called mixtapemonkey.com. And once you're at mixtapemonkey.com, you're going to either want to search for a mixtape or artist in the search bar, or click on the three stripes and choose mixtape or artist. For me, I'm going to choose mixtape. I'm going to go down and pick Members Only Volume 4 by XXXTentacion. I'm going to click on download and wait for that to finish downloading. And once that is finished downloading, you're going to want to click on the zip and wait for it to create a file for you. And once that file is created, you're going to want to drag it into your desktop and open iTunes. Once iTunes is open, you're going to want to take that file and drag it to where it says your iPhone name, and it should be syncing into your phone right now. And once it's finished syncing to your phone, you're going to want to go into Apple Music to make sure it's there. You click songs, and here it is, the full album for free. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.